First and all, welcome back. And welcome back to the Taf Fechan Nature Reserve. And in the first part of this session I'm going to just motor on with the walk and get beyond where I finished on my last visit. Across this lovely little bridge and on we go. Last time I came down it was flowers and some of the small river torrents, but we're striding out. There is some colour, as you can probably see. Buttercups, dandelions in full bloom. The hawthorn is out. The nettles are growing, as my legs are telling me. But on we go, we'll keep going. And we're reaching the section I wanted to reach, which is a bit further into the Taf Fechan gorge. Absolutely gorgeous scenery. I want to get around this bend and look at the trees and woodlands around here. It's a warm day, but it is very diffused light due to the cloud cover. Let's keep going. Just looking at the limestone. Layers of rock that's been weathered over the years, creating the gorge that the river runs through. The Taf Fechan, the small Taf, which heads down to Taf Fawr and off towards Cardiff. Gorgeous. Well, it's a beautiful early summer walk because although the sun is out, the trees are providing plenty of shade down by the river. Cascades running by. Can well recommend this for a lovely country walk, although the photography is proving a bit more challenging, but never mind. And here we are, halfway point for this one. Over the bridge, cross over and back to the other side. Just beneath the A465 roadworks up there. Biggest road scheme in the UK at the moment, I think, or one of the biggest. But we're going to follow the path up the river, which I think opens out a bit more. So let's see what we can find from this, I suppose, southern side of the Taf Fechan. On we go. Down by the riverside, the land is still moist, so there's a lovely show of buttercups. Beautiful. A little update on this lovely walk. So as I anticipated, I suppose this is the southern side of the river as we head up Taf Fechan, and it is slightly more open this side, which means there's a few more flowers, and we can see the cascades as you probably just saw, and we're having a wonderful stroll. I hope you're enjoying it as well. I haven't done this much on this walk, but this little composition I think is worth talking through, so I can talk about what I think I see, and we'll see how well I execute it. So we've got the path leading through, and we've got the small trees and the limestone rock on the right, and those bigger trees, I think they're oak, on the left, just to counterbalance. So somewhere around there is the image I'm looking for, and you'll now see whether I capture it. With the viaduct in the background, there we are back at the start. Hope you enjoyed that little stroll. Taf Fechan Nature Reserve, love that. Lovely late June stroll. Nice sunny day, but plenty of cloud cover and in the trees. Enjoyed that. Until next time, bye for now.